Dok, meron po akong mga skin texture at saka may maliliit ako at superficial na mga ice pick scars. Meron po bang sunscreen na makakatulong sa aking skin texture? Actually guys, meron. Look for silicone-based sunscreen kasi yung mga silicone-based sunscreen guys ay nagkakaroon ng pore and also skin texture blurring effect. Of course guys, no, instant yung effect niya but it's a bit temporary. Pero over time, if you use silicone-based sunscreen, dahan-dahan itong nag improve also ng inyong skin texture and also your acne scars and yung iba't ibang klaseng scars, guys, as proven by research. Pero guys, hindi ko ini-encourage yung ating silicone patches sa ating mga acne scars because I made a video about this. Medyo super occlusive po ang mga silicone patches sa ating mga balat, sa ating mga skin. Baka mag-cause din po ito ng mga clogging ng pores and baka mag-trigger pa ng acne eruption. So, dun po tayo sa less occlusive na mga silicone-based treatment, kagaya ng ating silicone sunscreens. So, currently sa DMD Skin Sciences, meron tayong dalawang silicone sunscreen, silicone-based sunscreen. So, number one, we have the Montblanc Tinted Mousse Sunscreen and we have the Montblanc Silicone Sunscreen. So, if you want na may konting tint and medyo morena or moreno yung skin ninyo and gusto nyo makover immediately yung inyong mga red marks, dark marks, then you can try the Montblanc Tinted Mousse Sunscreen. But kung ayaw nyo ng tint, medyo light skin kayo or even dark skin kayo, and gusto nyo invisible yung finish, but at the same time gusto nyo mas lumapat yung skin ninyo, may pore blurring effect, hindi masyadong ma-obvious yung mga superficial acne scars ninyo, yung mga ice peak scars ninyo, and skin texture, then you can opt for Montblanc Silicone Sunscreen. So ayan guys, I hope you get to try the Montblanc sunscreens. Alright guys, for more skin tips that work, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye-bye!